I'm going to show you the fastest way to generate proxies in Premiere Pro. And if you already know about proxies, I'm going to show you a little known setting that will tell Premiere to automatically generate proxies whenever you bring your footage in. Proxies are duplicate files of a project's source footage. They're transcoded down to a much more manageable file size, making it easier on your computer's workload. If you're editing with footage that's 4K or higher, then creating proxies should definitely be a part of your workflow. Right, enough of me rambling, let's jump in. Okay, so here we have our footage. It's just some drone aerials that we want to make proxy files for. So we're going to select all, right click and come down to Proxy and create proxies. A settings window will pop up. For frame size, I like to keep this at half the resolution of the source footage. For preset, I use MP4, that keeps the file sizes nice and small. I find if you use ProRes, sometimes it makes the proxy files much larger than expected, so I usually just stick to MP4. And for location, I always select next to original media. That way all my project footage is in one place. Hit OK, and now Media Encoder will open, and it will start rendering out our proxy files. And you can see here, there they go. And once those are all done, we can toggle our proxies on and off quite easily with the Toggle Proxies button here under our view window. And when exporting your project, Premiere will grab the source footage instead of the proxy files, even if your proxies are still toggled on. Alright, so that's the manual way of creating proxies. Now I'm going to show you how to set up Premiere to automatically transcode proxies when you drag your footage in. Come up to File, Project Settings, and Ingest Settings. And here we're going to toggle this to create proxies. Now the settings are just the same as we used before, so I'm just going to set them up the same. Hit OK, and now if I drag a bit of footage into Premiere, Media Encoder will automatically open and transcode it right away. Quick and as easy as that. If you got something out of the video today, support the new channel and subscribe.